quick microphone review. Let's get right to it. The newest addition to my podcast setup, yes, I have a podcast called PreeZee Does It, is the Electro Voice RE320. I'm comparing it today to the Rode Procaster. Right out of the box, I noticed that the RE320 is way lighter than the beast of a tank Rode Procaster. Rode Procaster is built like a tank. You can almost take this microphone and do some curls with it. For this video, I have both microphones hooked up to the Tascam DR70D recorder, and having those microphones set up like that where you can see the display with both levels jumping off, you automatically notice that the RE320 is way more sensitive than the Rode Procaster. I have the Rode Procaster about 3 to 4 decibels above what I have the RE320 at. Sound-wise, you might notice that the Rode Procaster is a little bit warmer than the RE320. That's because the Rode Procaster has a little bit of roll-off on the high end. That's one thing I didn't really like about the Rode Procaster is that roll-off, but it's nothing that a little EQ can't fix or even sending it through a channel strip like a DBX 286. But I do notice that right out the gate, flat EQ, the RE320 just sounds better to me. Also, I've noticed that the Procaster, it's really sensitive to plosive sounds. So if you decide to get the Rode Procaster, I would 100% suggest you get the windscreen that goes with it. That's when it'll shine. And since the RE320 is still new to me, I'm not really sure how those plosives will affect on my voice. So you guys can let me know in the comments if anything is spiking or peaking like that. What initially put me onto the Rode Procaster at first was the quality to price ratio that Rode always does with their microphones. Right now, the Rode Procaster goes for about $229. And if you're watching this video, I'm sure you know Electro Voice is like a staple in the broadcasting industry. Right now, the Electro Voice RE320 is about $299. And for me, in my opinion, the $70 difference, it feels and sounds like a major upgrade to me. Higher sensitivity means less gain, which means less noise, and a flatter sound means less EQing and less coloration to your sound that you'll give the microphone. So I'm curious to know, this is a new mic for me, so in the comments, write what you think, if the Rode Procaster sounds good or the RE320 from Electro Voice sounds good. Which one sounds better on my voice? And check out the podcast, PreeZee Does It. I'll put a link right here. Make sure you check that out and let me know what you think of that as well. You can find the podcast right here on YouTube and also iTunes and Spotify and anywhere else you get your podcast listen on. All right, if you like this video, make sure you hit me with the thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and hit that little bell so you get notifications on future videos. Again, let me know, Rode Procaster, RE320, which one sounds better? I'm your main man, Mr. PreeZee. Until next time, I'll see you.